Hey there! In this video, we're diving into a fundamental programming concept, the do-while loop. If you've ever wondered how to repeat code based on a condition, this one's for you. Loops help us repeat tasks in code without writing the same lines again and again. Now, let's talk about the do-while loop, which is a little different from a regular while loop. Unlike the while loop, which checks the condition before running the code, the do-while loop always runs the code once first, and then checks the condition. Let's see what that looks like in code. Here's a basic example in C or C++. In this loop, we start with counter set to 1. The code inside the loop runs, and only after that, the condition counter less than or equal to 3 is checked. As long as the condition is true, the loop will keep running. But remember, the key here is that it'll always run at least once, no matter what. Even if the condition is false from the start, the do-while loop runs once, and only after that does it check the condition. Here, even though counter is 4 and the condition counter less than or equal to 3 is false, the code still prints once. So, the do-while loop is great when you need your code to run at least once, and then repeat based on a condition. It's used in many scenarios like menu-driven programs, user inputs, or retry mechanisms. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more programming tips. See you next time.